So Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, they both introduced a titanium-based construction for the first time, but Samsung stepped it up with the latest Gorilla Glass armor, which is apparently tougher than the last one. It is not saying to me, well, a guy who actually used the S24 Ultra is saying, according to him, the titanium on the S24 Ultra looks far better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. He is talking about the titanium gray variant of the S24 Ultra. Moreover, he emphasizes that despite Samsung opting for a flatter overall design, the phone still provide a satisfying and comfortable grip. Now, when it comes to toughness, the S24 Ultra takes the crown over the latest iPhone. Moving on, one of the best features of the S24 lineup is the AI Live Translate call, which allows two people who speak different languages to have a conversation on a phone call where what each person says gets translated on the spot into the other's language. Suppose if you call a person and that person speaking in German and your language will automatically translate on a spot. Now, what's interesting is that Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is also rumored to have the AI Live Translate call built in, and this could be a game changer. Why am I saying that? Well, imagine having a face-to-face conversation with someone who does not speak your language. I'm not talking about it on a phone call, but in the real world, face-to-face, and these buds translate everything instantly, no lag, no awkward pauses, perfect for travel or living in a multilingual place. As for when they are launching the Buds 3 Pro, it's not going to happen on the 17th of January. It's more likely to happen with the Z Fold 6 in July now. Recent revelations regarding European prices. For the S24 lineup, bring a positive development. Samsung has decided to reduce prices by €50 compared to the previous year. Now, will that translate to other countries as well? It seems likely, as Ice Universe mentions, that he is also hearing from his source that they are going to reduce the price of the S24 lineup. The stock of the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus is expected to be substantial, signaling Samsung's confidence in the lineup, and may also introduce a price cut to get more eyeballs on its products. By the way, it's appreciated that Samsung won't use the hardware price to pay for what will surely be cost AI features. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.